Good morning from Qalhat. Qalhat is about 15 minutes from Sur. It's been a while since I've done this hike, and doing this morning, going through the dry wadis, there are some amazing formations and unique rocks along the way. So I will take you along. So I'm going to show you Qalhat. Here we go. So I'd say it's been a year, nearly a year since I've done this walk, and the water was not here before as well, but oh, amazing. It is so peaceful here. And these rocks, the formations are stunning. Taking a short stop just for some photos. Now that the weather is cooling down, finally take advantage of hikes like Qalhat. And again, before we just had some rain a few days ago, so that's why we have some water here. Normally it is completely dry. I always like this rock, and now we're going to take some photos here. You can do it. There you go, there you go. Woohoo! Now I'll take some photos. Excellent. Action. Okay, straight over here. This is one way that you can go, but also at some point, if you go up this way, and then over here is up is a village. But we're gonna climb up here, because just beyond the rocks and over towards the right, once you get up there, you'll head in the direction of a village. Okay, we've made it to the other side here, and now just trying to see which direction to go to reach the village. So we'll try one way first, and then if not, we'll go the other way. Jem, how you doing?
Good. Oh my god, I like morning hikes.
You know, morning hikes are great, right?
Yeah, super.
Let's explore. I'm very proud of myself because for the first time, I went in the right direction to go to the village. And now we've decided to take a different way to go down. So we're going to see where this road leads us. Some shots, different angles from different side. The views keep getting better and better. Every direction, everywhere you turn, look at the water, the formations, fantastic. Okay, from here, if you didn't want to carry on straight, this is another way just straight ahead here. This is another way to go. And this will just lead you through, around boulders, and you just keep going. There's a little bit of small pockets of water as you go, but you can't really swim because they're not that deep. Really, the water is not that clean for swimming. However, again, really beautiful formations straight ahead. So, okay, so here we go. Again, I haven't been this way in a long time. So, we're just Okay, we both agree that I don't really remember. I mean, I remember kind of going up this way, but I don't really remember it, so let's try it. Let's try it now. You know, when you don't do things in a year, myself, I forget. Huh. Looks completely different than I remember. And it continues. Okay, now this looks familiar to us. So just over here, there's where the small little waterfall was, and then you just keep going. And this is pretty much the gorgeous view along the way. You're gonna see big boulders, small ones, and it's the same. You just kind of go toward the right, toward the left, toward the right, toward the left, and that's it. I mean, we've gone straight ahead maybe another 40 minutes, and then everything just kind of stops. It's more boulders. We don't know what's past that, probably other villages. So one of these days we will keep going and see what is past this. Okay. Even when there was no rain, there was still a little bit of water coming down, but today completely dry. So we're gonna go to the other side, but just wanted to take a few more photos and videos. Oh, gorgeous. I just can't take enough videos because everything in this area is so different. The water, they've had a little bit of rain here. Ugh. They've had a little bit of rain here. Amazing. And just wrapping up. We've pretty much finished our hike for the morning. The bridge is where the car is parked. So we're heading there, maybe 10 more minutes, and that's it. This is Qalhat. And that's a wrap. Hope you've enjoyed the views.